Welcome to the Zensystemreset podcast. I'm Holly, a yoga therapist and guide on a journey of healing and transformation. Today we're talking about one of the most powerful systems in our body, our nervous system, and how yoga therapy can be an essential tool to help reset it, bringing us back to a state of balance, calm, and resilience. Whether you're dealing with chronic stress, anxiety, physical tension, or simply feeling disconnected from yourself and your body, this episode is for you. We'll explore how yoga therapy, with its gentle movement, mindful breathwork, and restorative practices, works on a deep level to calm the nervous system, releasing stored stress and bringing you back into a state of inner peace and well-being. Understanding the nervous system. To understand how yoga therapy helps reset the nervous system, let's first take a look at what the nervous system is and how it functions. Our nervous system is divided into two primary branches, the sympathetic nervous system and the parasympathetic nervous system. The sympathetic nervous system is responsible for our fight or flight response. It's the system that kicks in when we feel threatened or stressed, triggering a cascade of hormones like adrenaline and cortisol. While this response is essential for survival, the problem arises when we get stuck in this state of high alert, even when there's no real danger. Chronic stress, emotional trauma, and even daily stresses like work pressures or family responsibilities can leave us feeling like we're always in this heightened state, anxious, tense, and constantly on edge. On the other hand, we have the parasympathetic nervous system, often referred to as the rest and digest system. This is the branch that allows us to relax, digest our food, heal, and restore energy. In a balanced state, the body naturally alternates between these two systems, keeping us alert when necessary and calm when it's time to rest. Unfortunately, in our modern world, many of us spend too much time in the sympathetic, stress-driven state. This can lead to a wide range of health issues, from digestive problems and insomnia to anxiety, depression, and even chronic pain. The good news is that yoga therapy is a powerful way to help activate and nourish the parasympathetic nervous system, allowing the body to come back into balance. So how does yoga therapy help reset the nervous system? Let's break it down into three core components: movement, breathwork, and mindfulness. Gentle movement. The first component is gentle, mindful movement. Unlike some forms of exercise that can increase the heart rate and add to our stress, yoga therapy focuses on slow, controlled movements that are designed to calm the body. These movements encourage the release of physical tension, which is often stored in areas like the neck, shoulders, hips, and lower back. When we hold on to stress, the body reacts by tightening the muscles and creating a sense of discomfort or pain. Gentle restorative yoga poses help release that stored tension and send signals to the brain that it's safe to relax. This is especially helpful for people who spend a lot of time sitting, dealing with chronic pain, or feeling stiff and disconnected from their bodies. 2. Breathwork, pranayama. The second component is breathwork, or what we call pranayama in yoga. Breathing is the bridge between the mind and the body, and it has profound effects on our nervous system. When we're stressed or anxious, we tend to take short, shallow breaths, which reinforces the body's stress response. In yoga therapy, we use conscious breathing techniques to help shift the nervous system from fight or flight to rest and digest. Techniques like diaphragmatic breathing or belly breathing activates the vagus nerve, which directly influences the parasympathetic nervous system. This helps you lower your heart rate, reduce blood pressure, and create a sense of calm and ease throughout the body. I often guide my students through a simple practice of inhaling deeply through the nose for a count of 4, holding for 4, and then exhaling slowly for a count of 6. This practice can be done anytime you feel overwhelmed or anxious, and it's a quick way to calm the mind and body. 3. Mindfulness and meditation. The third component is mindfulness and meditation. Our thoughts can have a significant impact on our physical state, and when we're caught up in a loop of stress and worry, it's hard for the body to relax. In yoga therapy, we use mindfulness practices to help quiet the mind and bring awareness to the present moment. By focusing on the breath, body sensations, or even a mantra, we train the mind to release the grip of stressful thoughts and come into a state of stillness. Meditation, even in small doses, has been shown to lower cortisol levels, improve mood, and enhance overall mental clarity. One of the key principles of yoga therapy is the understanding that the mind and body are deeply connected. The state of our nervous system not only affects our physical health, but also our emotional well-being. When we're stuck in a chronic state of stress, we might feel disconnected from our emotions, unable to fully experience joy, or stuck in patterns of anxiety and overwhelm. Yoga therapy offers a holistic approach that integrates the body and the mind. As we work with the breath and movement, we also create space to process emotions that may be held in the body. Often, the body remembers trauma or stress long after the mind has forgotten it. And through gentle, mindful practices, we can begin to release those stored emotions and find deeper healing. For example, some people might find that after a restorative yoga session, they feel a wave of sadness, anger, or relief. This is the body's way of releasing trapped emotions, and it's an essential part of the healing process. By being present with our breath and body, we give ourselves permission to feel and release whatever needs to be let go of. I wanted to share a bit of my personal story and journey, which has profoundly shaped my understanding of the yogic practice and its ancient roots. Growing up in South Africa, I faced experiences that instilled a sense of hypervigilance within me, always on guard and ready to react. And even after completing my yoga training, I found myself at times caught in this cycle of anxiety, because my brain was wired in a state of hypervigilance. In the early days of my practice, I focused completely on the meditative practice because my mind was so busy. However, I soon realized I needed to explore more of the physical aspect of the practice, and that is where the real work began. It wasn't until I committed to a daily practice and morning meditations that I began to notice a significant shift within myself, and I wanted to understand what was happening beyond the surface. There was something deeper happening within my body on a physiological level that I wanted to understand. Each morning as I settled onto my mat, I allowed myself to explore what was happening within my body, and it was uncomfortable. I could feel the tension in my chest, the uncomfortability in my shoulders, and the pain within my hips. But with each breath and each practice that I decided to show up, I began to see that this anxiety started to dissolve, and my self-talk was starting to transform from fear, anxiety, and even I'll go as far as saying self-hatred to compassion and understanding. This journey of resetting my brain and body has been a long but rewarding journey. I'm learning to approach my thoughts with curiosity rather than judgment, and learning to sit within my body rather than disassociate from it when I feel uncomfortable. I've recognized that my hypervigilance was a learned behavior that I could unlearn. It takes time, it's taken a lot of patience, but through yoga therapy, I've begun to rewrite my narrative, one of calm awareness rather than constant guard. Today I share these practices, knowing that healing is a profound journey of self-discovery, And through awareness and gentle guidance, we can all reset our nervous system and reclaim our sense of safety and peace within the body. As I end today's episode, I want to remind us that healing is not linear. It's a journey that we all have to navigate in our own unique ways. I invite you to explore yoga therapy and how it can support your nervous system. Thank you for joining me on the Zen System Reset podcast, and I look forward to sharing more insights and practices with you in the next episode.